cheeseburger recipe. 1 pound for 150 grams, ground beef 80% lean is a good choice. For hamburger buns, for slices of your favorite cheese e.g. cheddar, American, Swiss, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 onion, thinly sliced. Lettuce leaves, tomato slices, pickles optional. Ketchup and mustard optional, butter for toasting buns. 1. Preheat your grill or stovetop pan over medium-high heat. 2. While the grill or pan is heating up, divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions and shape them into burger patties. Season both sides with salt and pepper. 3. Slice the buns in half and spread a little butter. On the cut sides, toast the buns on the grill or in a separate pan until they are lightly browned. 4. Place the burger patties on the hot grill or pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side for medium rare or longer for your preferred level of doneness during the last minute of cooking. Add a slice of cheese on top of each patty to melt. 5. As the burgers cook, you can also grill the sliced onions for extra flavor. 6. Once the burger patties are done and the cheese is melted, remove them from the grill or pan. 7. Build your cheeseburgers by placing a lettuce leaf and tomato slice on the bottom bun, followed by the cheese-covered patty. Add grilled onions, pickles, and condiments if desired. Top with the other half of the toasted bun. 8. Serve your homemade cheeseburgers with your favorite sides and enjoy. Now you have a delicious homemade cheeseburger ready to savor.